Good morning.
Good morning. It's 10 degrees. And we've decided to come to Red River Gorge for some outdoor adventure today.
Yeah, I mean, it's so cold. I don't normally wear bibs when we're hiking, but it's that cold that I'm wearing my bibs today.
So I think since it's so cold today, I think what we'll do is a bunch of little short hikes. That way we can get in the car and warm up between. What do you think?
Yeah, just hit up some of these popular arches and show y'all what everybody comes to see while no one's here.
Yeah, there's only one other car in this parking lot.
Yeah, and then there's one.
Well,
in
they're
one.
probably on a different trail, maybe.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know though.
there.
They could be
Yeah, they're
on
probably
this
on a
trail.
different one.
But first one is going to be Gray's Arch, and it is 2.5 miles, I think, there and back. So that's not too bad.
No.
But we're going to get moving because it's
Cold.
frigid.
Yeah, it's a 1.25 mile one way, so 2.5.
Yeah, so not bad.
No. And what's nice is right here at the parking lot, if you gotta go to the bathroom, they got 2 outhouses.
Yep. Fully enclosed.
Yeah, but it's still
So
cold in there. That don't help nothing.
Yeah, it's still cold. I mean, it just keeps the breeze off you a little bit. All right, but let's get started. Here we go. Dangerous cliffs.
86.
Yeah, so this gentleman fell from the arch that we're going to hike to in 86. It's really sad. You definitely want to be careful out here because, like it says on the sign, there are a bunch of dangerous cliffs. So that's kind of what the gorge here is known for, is all the rock cliffs and the natural rock arches. A lot of rock climbing out here.
We call it the Red River Gorge Geological
Area, yeah, because of all the cool rock formations.
So this mud is frozen.
Yeah, you could tell this was a mud puddle. It's hard as a rock right now.
A lot of activities to do out here, though.
Yeah, a lot of you can stealth camp. You just have to have a pass, a parking pass, I guess. But there's a lot of places to camp out here. We still haven't camped out here yet. We bought a pass one year and never used it. We just never got back this way after we bought it.
I forgot about that.
Yep. I don't know, maybe one day. There's another one over here somewhere.
Oh, we gotta go right.
1 mile to Gray's Arch.
It's opened up over here. Wonder what
There's the arch.
Oh, don't stand under them.
Oh yeah, there's icicles up there. I don't think they're gonna melt today. I think we're safe.
What are you doing?
Where? Is it frozen? You can't. Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it.
It's balled up.
Now we've got some steps. See how many there are. Quite a few. cold. Get that out if we need to. Holy shit.
That's a big patch of ice. Wow. Those icicles look like a chandelier.
That stick is still stuck to you. Wow.
Those are big. Some of those are like 5 feet long, 6 feet.
I still hear water.
I do. Well, there's a
It's actually
creek.
dripping.
There's a creek.
Figured it'd all be gross. It is moving.
Well, it's It's moving. So it's coming off of that, wherever that's coming from. I got fabric down. Oh, looks.
Some pictures too. You know, here I did not.
We got up here and realized they're still getting bigger.
Not melting.
They're not melting.
So I bet this is a pretty nice waterfall after some heavy rain because
Oh yeah.
I mean this technically is a creek over here.
Yeah, it is. So yeah, it's probably raging when it could rain. We got a little bit ways. We're almost there.
Look at that big chunk of ice right there. That's all somewhere. Probably yesterday.
Big old chunk.
Look at this. Come here.
Pick that up.
Stuck.
That ain't going nowhere.
It's not.
It's hilarious. Notice there's a cave. Right there. That's where the water, the ice is. There's a cave.
All right, here we are. We're right under it.
It's like 50 feet.
Whew. What do you think?
Good. I'm cold.
We've both been here before.
Yeah.
I think you've been here.
Yeah, I've been in this. Yeah, we brought me here.
Where are you going? You going up?
Oh, do you not want to?
I guess. I'll let you go first. What are you doing? All right, I'm coming up. Just gotta kind of hold this wall as you go up. Are you in there?
Yeah, well, it feels so good in here.
Does it?
Oh, yeah.
Is it warmer?
Oh, yeah. Significantly.
Oh my gosh.
That's a fun backpack off.
Huh?
I took my backpack off.
Yeah, that's probably a smart idea because I'm rubbing. Guess we can just...
Watch your head.
I'm watching it. I don't know if I can see you or not. Yeah, you're just a little crooked. You're still crooked. There, you're better. Okay, let's take this backpack off. We're gonna be sandy. Walking around in this sand. Am I coming in? Oh God. Don't look at my butt, camera.
Feel the temperature difference?
Yeah. Feels a little better.
Out of that wind. I'd sleep in here for the night. That camera on?
Yeah, it's on. Do I look like Gollum coming out of a cave?
You do look like Gollum. Straight up.
Am I sandy?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah. Sweet. All right. Well, that's one down. And
How many more to go? We
don't know. Whenever it starts to snow, I guess.
Or whenever we get hungry.
Yeah. We got some Lunchables you brought.
I do, but I ain't eating them out here in the cold.
We eat those in the truck. Let's go.
Right, so I just thought I recorded this whole thing and I didn't record it. We were talking about the temperature and how we think maybe it has went up 1 or 2 degrees from 10, but it's still cold.
It's still pretty cold. It's windy up here.
And I was talking about how when we were walking down, my face was like burning from it being cold. And when I touched it, it had that puffy feeling like when you get numbed at a dental appointment. So it was pretty numb. So I had to walk like this for a while, warm it up. And my thighs are a little stinging. But other than that, I'm warm. What about you?
I feel warm. I'm good. I think the only thing is that my beard is
It's freezing.
a little frozen, a little stiff. Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
But we've been here for a few minutes. We're directly under the arch now. And we don't want to stay in one place for too long because it is cold. So we're going to head back. And we have a lot of uphill. So that should warm us up quite a bit. I just hope I don't start to sweat because I don't want to be wet with it this cold out here. That wouldn't be good. Everything on me is quick dry except for the Carhartt hoodie. So, all right, let's head to the car. You gonna get me when I fall?
Yeah.
We're gonna win some money, funniest home videos. Do they even do that anymore?
I'm sure somewhere.
Thing of the past.
I'm sure somewhere they do
I
it.
guess it was ridiculousness, and then
Yeah.
I think that's gone now too. So what's the next thing with funny videos?
Yeah, they've got to have something on YouTube now.
Let's see. Can you see my breath?
Yeah, a little
Oh
bit.
Lord, look at this shit. Steps. My God. Right here's how you know it's cold. When the rhododendron don't even like it.
Heck, even the laurel looks like it's a little droopy.
Yep. And there's our last glance at Gray's Arch. Heading back up the trail. Show this when we started the hike, but here you have your backcountry camping. So it's $5 for a day, $7 for a 3-day pass, $50 for an annual pass. I really hope we didn't pay $50 that time we bought one and didn't use it. I think it might have been $30 because that was several years ago. So
This is where we went. We're here now, and we went. Wait.
oh, we went all the way down here.
So we did go up the rough trail.
Yeah, because here's the split that's right back there.
I wonder if some of these people are doing this loop.
Yeah, maybe.
That are here.
Man, the bathroom stinks though. Be warned. It smells like a big porta potty, which it is, but like you can smell it all the way over here. All right, we're back to the Forerunner.
You got the key.
Oh, I got the key. My backpack. All right, let's get in here and warm up a little bit and decide where we're going to next. Back in the car. So what's the temp? What does your vehicle say?
Well, this says it's 12 degrees. My car says it's 18. It says the weather app says it feels like 1 degree. It said when we first got here, it was a feel of -1. Now, I know some of y'all in the Northwest that may watch this are like, oh, that's nothing. We deal with that every winter. We're from East Tennessee. They don't get that cold. It's the reason we live in East Tennessee. We don't want to deal with that kind of cold.
Usually like 20s is...
Yeah, and 17 to 20 is about as cold as it gets. But this weather here recently, and it's going to be 4 on Monday. No, thank you. I'm good with that. I'm gonna take
so we drove to our second location, but we are going to have a snack first. So, what did I do with mine? Or is that it? Oh, we're having pizza Lunchables and dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, da. What do we got?
a late one.
You can't come to the gorge and not have an LA. So we snagged these from the refrigerator before we left this morning. So good. All right, we got our pizzas made. The cheese is under the pepperoni.
Yeah, it is.
But it's on there. These are always so messy.
Yeah, they are.
Think it, sink it.
Not cold.
I don't know what it is about these. They taste like cardboard, but I love them.
They do have a cardboard texture to them.
I like when you're at home or somewhere where there's a microwave and you can like heat it just for a few seconds.
That sauce got a weird taste to it.
I don't know, but I love them.
It's easy, light to carry. Yeah. Sweet. Okay.
I had originally got these at the store in case the electricity goes out tonight because that snowstorm's coming.
Oh yeah.
But they've downgraded it from like 16 inches to like what, 5 to 8?
I don't know now.
And
like
maybe
3 to
some
4.
ice tomorrow.
It ain't as much as they said it was going to be. So, yeah, because you had mentioned that storm on your last video. A light one. Is that right? A light one?
I guess. It's LA. Alright, let's eat these other ones. Alright. What is this campground called?
Honestly, I can't even tell you.
So we're across the road from Natural Bridge State Park, whatever this campground's called. And we're going out here to, what is it called? Henson's Cave Arch. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Shit. Yeah. We're on the Sheltoe Trace Trail. Woo! We've not stepped foot on that in years.
Oh, yeah,
We'll eventually do some more sections of that, hopefully. Whew. I've got the first 50 miles from the northern terminus done, and Justin has about 38 miles of it done. But of course, I'll start back where he left off whenever we get to. All right, here's what we're doing. Henson's Arch Trail. I've never been up this way. I went to an arch that's on the other side of the campground. Ooh, my fingers are cold. So we got used to that warm truck, and it is so cold out here.
Be little caves.
Whew. I want a ground squirrel.
This has been up to get to this place.
Yeah, it has. A little ground squirrel ran over there somewhere.
He got a little hole in there.
All right, we made it. Look at this.
Oh, what?
Holy heck, Justin. Look at this ice.
That's
End of hiking trail. This is pretty cool. Let's go down here and check this out. Oh man, I don't think there's any ice on the steps.
No.
I'm being careful anyway. Oh shit, there's a step out. All right, I gotta put the phone up for a second. We are down here. Look at this ice. Wow.
I wonder what it looks like without the ice.
Right?
Is there a cave back there? I seen a cave up there we might check out on the way out.
And there's more ice over here.
This is cool though, standing right here. Hey, let me grab that show them. You get up in there.
There's ice. Oh my god, I think someone buzzed my head here.
Look at that. That's nuts.
It's dripping.
Can y'all feel the cold off of that just looking at it?
Like it's just like a circle opening above us.
And then there's the arch.
Look, there's a hole through
There is.
there.
Yep. Sweet.
This is really cool. I've never been here. I'm excited that we came somewhere I've never been in the gorge.
Sweet. All right. Let's take some pictures and check it out and see what else there is.
You need me to hit the button? Just get gloves on. Look at this. This is crazy.
Well, look how thick that ice is. Look at that.
Insane.
It's peaceful.
Yeah, it is. Believe it or not, it was actually warmer down there than up here. That was really cool. So if you go right over here, you'll be right above where we were. I don't want to get too close to it. So there's a little bridge. Hello? Where are you helloing? Is it that big back in there? Yeah. Is it really? Oh my gosh. Get out from there. Well, don't do it. My gosh. I see your light from your phone.
From my what?
Your phone.
That's on my phone.
Oh, what is it?
My headlamp.
Oh, it's your. You have your headlamp?
Yeah.
Are you stuck? Now you got to crawl out acting like Gollum. And we'll have a poll to see whose was better.
I look like all of them.
Yep. Alright, that was Henson Cave Arch.
Arch number 2.
It starts at Whittleton Campground.
Whittleton Campground.
So Whittleton Arch is the one I have been to, which is on the other side of the campground.
Which is connected to the Sheltoe.
Yes. So we veered off the Sheltoe after we got off the road. But that was cool.
Yeah, it was. That's a pretty cool little cave arch area.
Yeah, I'd never been to that before, so that was nice. Because a lot of these little short adventures in the Red River Gorge I've already done, so I wasn't expecting to see something new today. So that was nice. All right, we're gonna head back to the car.
You think it's gonna freeze?
Probably. We're going to Sky Bridge. Just kidding. The road's closed. That sucks. Doesn't it, Justin?
Yeah.
We were really looking forward to Sky Bridge, but that's okay. Pivoting, and we just passed a sign for Whistling Arch trailhead, and I don't think I've ever been to that one, so we're turning around and going there. So Whistling Arch Road is our next destination. Sky Bridge, we'll have to wait till next time. Here we are. Whistling Arch Trail 234. It's only a quarter of a mile, so
Not bad.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
We need the backpacks in for it.
Yeah, we're not even going to take the backpacks with us this time.
So this is supposed to start snowing any minute. Yeah, I ain't seen nothing since we've been driving. So is this the arch?
I guess so.
Yeah.
There it is.
This is so cool.
This is a little view right here, maybe. A little bit.
They go all the way around? I know this goes up.
I don't know, maybe. Oh, be careful up there. Yeah, don't do that.
So many places to grab.
I guess this just kind of keeps going. I'm curious. Let's see if we can see anything from up here. No, I don't think so. I was wondering if maybe you could see. I think somebody used the bathroom right here. I was wondering if you could see Sky Bridge, but nope. Be careful. I'm pretty sure that's a pile of dookie right there with a sock next to it. I think so. I came up here because I was curious if you could see Sky Bridge.
Wow. You go down
Oh
there?
no, let's go down there. All right, let's see if we've got a view. Oh yeah, I think we do. Hell yeah. Get down here. Nice.
Spectacular. A lot of pine through here.
Yeah, there is.
A lot of pine. Beautiful.
Sadly, there's a lot of
Graffiti.
graffiti. Do you still call that graffiti when it's a carving?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. Let me step back here so you can get kind of a... That's awesome. And the trail keeps going. Can you see anything from over here? Clifty, yeah, we definitely do have to get a selfie when we go back to that spot. Clifty wilderness for sure. Like right there. A cliff.
Oh, yeah, that one, yeah.
I mean, right here is.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
Yeah. Is this the actual trail though?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It just drops. Just drops right on down. You okay?
Yeah, I hit that stump sticking out.
I mean, it looks like it's still the trail.
Somebody's beating me down.
It's just really close to the edge.
Yeah, look how beaten this is.
It goes up this way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following this. Ugh. Oh, this is... Where does it go down?
What's that? Can we check it out?
Yeah, I'll let you go. Be careful though. Does it keep going?
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay, so this is it. This is where it stops. Justin went down below, right there, and kind of around. There he is. Wave. But I pulled up the All Trails map, and this is where it ends. So there's really not much past that that overlook.
It's just a sketchy cliff wall.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back and get some selfies at the overlook, and then go back and get a better look at the arch, because there was a couple with their dog there when we first walked up. So we wanted to give them some room. And I don't like...
The dog was scary.
Yeah, the dog was barking at us, and I don't like filming around people either. So it looked like they were leaving though. So, woo! This Mountain Laurel are grabbing me.
This is the top side of Whistling Arch.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Wind's cutting through here.
Yeah, it is.
Can you get all the way down?
Yeah, we can get all the way down. Heck yeah, we can. Yeah, look, we can get all the way down.
Get a picture of me.
It's only a quarter mile from the parking lot, so it's not a bad one. And look at that. All the boulders. Big boulders.
Oh, wow. There is some big rocks, aren't there? Look like they're just going to tumble over.
Yep.
Wow.
Be careful, this sand can be slick. Oh, my foot got caught. That wasn't good.
Your foot got caught?
Yeah, it did.
Look at me.
He looks so small compared to that wall.
Good. I like when things make me look small.
Yeah, you don't want to take a tumble down there.
No.
Oh, there's icicles up there, I just
Oh,
realized.
there is. I see those. Wow.
What do you think?
Nice. I'm glad.
I can't see the arch from here.
Like, I'm happy with
There
this,
it is.
even though we didn't get to go to Skybridge. This is cool, and this is another one I have never seen before, so I got to see 2 new things.
Sweet. Yeah, it is. All the holes in the rocks.
We were driving and decided to get out and come look at the river because there's quite a bit of ice on it. So we'll show you that once we get down here. So the whole little pool of water is frozen. I don't know how thick it is, but it's definitely all frozen on the top. And you have all this ice down the river here too. Getting down here. Trying to be careful. Picture of Justin. Hey Justin, look this way. Gotcha. We're a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Well, don't get on it though. But next adventure, we found a cabin right off the road. We were about to pass it up. Justin backed the 4Runner all the way back to the parking spot. Let's go check this out. It's an old log cabin right here above the river. There's not any no trespassing signs, so I think you're allowed to come see it. Yeah. Oh, heck. Okay. Watch out. Yeah, look at this. Oh, they had iron bars on the windows.
I don't want no one breaking in.
Guess not.
Can't even sit in it.
Yeah, you can't even see in.
That's like a wooden door in here. Oh, I got money.
Everything is locked up. You can see in this little pantry or whatever that is. And there's the river, so it's literally right up. They built it on a rock, it looks like.
Oh, wow.
It's got a gutter system. You see anything back on this side? No, they got it fenced in. Nope, can't see anything.
At least left the window open
To look inside with some
at least the bars up and
plexiglass.
Plexiglass, yeah, let us see in there. Recreate something in there, you know?
Yeah.
Make it something to look at again.
Hell, they may use it for storage.
Maybe. Pretty neat though. Cute.
Yeah, it
I'm
is.
living it out here. That's awesome. All right, well,
All right.
next thing.
See what we can find now. Right, next little pull off spot here by the road. So there's a little waterfall here. It's flowing a little bit and it's got some ice.
This is the one we stopped at. I remember this one.
Yeah, we've stopped at this one before. Let's check it out. Dustin's Making a lot of noise. There it is. We might be able to get closer, but there is a lot of ice on those rocks.
So that's pretty cool. Oh, that is a lot of ice. That's huge. Yeah, it is a few feet. That's probably 5 feet. I mean, there's rocks in there, but that's definitely a big chunk of ice. So we stopped over here at Gladie Visitor.
Gladie? I think it's
Gladie.
Gladie.
Gladie Visitor Center, excuse me. Gladie Visitor Center.
I'm not sure if it's open. It's on the other side of this barn here.
That way. I've seen this little homestead area. What was life like in the Red River Gorge about 100 years ago? Would you have enjoyed living here? Probably. Time would have been a lot slower.
Look at all the rock formations up on the top of the ridges.
So there's the little homestead. All the farm equipment. Check this out. I love stopping and seeing these old historical buildings. See the history of what it was like early 1800s, 1900s. Oh, they got a bale.
Enjoy, but do not destroy your American heritage.
Do not destroy it.
Sir. Oh, it's plexiglass. See this?
That was loud.
Could you warn me?
I know, but then it would have been as fun.
Mercy.
That was loud. That's the dinner bell right there. Here's our old barn. They hang tobacco up in here. Opportunities. Red River Gorge Geological area, Clifty Wilderness. Just some information on the area. I mean, yeah, I guess you could have hung tobacco in here.
A tobacco barn,
it does.
I'm not sure.
2-horse farm wagon. All the bridal equipment.
There's a wasp nest.
Rastus plow.
A hornet nest.
Double shovel.
You see that?
In the inside of a hornet's nest or paper wasp nest or something. Asher Lumber Company. Asher Lumber.
Here's a forge. There's a forge. 1-row corn planter. A corn combine.
So so the logs that they lumbered out of here had brands like cattle. Out like the cattle out west.
Yeah.
So the lumber, if it was stole, you know where it came from. Wow.
They have a lot of stuff labeled.
They were floated down the Red River Gorge. I've seen that. So the loggers would stand on these logs and push them down and ride them down the river. That was dangerous. They had to be quick. They had to know where to catch the jams and how to get them out. I mean, that was a dangerous job. Ox yoke.
Talking about the American chestnut and
How it's now gone.
yeah, and then the restoration efforts. You see a lot of the stuff is labeled in here.
Yeah, I did. Like this says 2-horse cultivator here.
There's a 2-horse farm wagon.
I got that.
Tree, double tree, single tree.
Is this a scale? It is.
Like,
No scale. How much do I weigh?
I'm ready to get back in this car.
What's that, 200 grams? It is cold. Triple tree, double tree. Wow. That old saw. So they did a lot of lumber here.
You wanna go see if that's open?
We can. We're gonna drive over there. Yeah.
There's where we are. Look, there's Sasquatch. That's where you can find him.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that's funny.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Do they really live up there? There was an elevator.
Yeah, I guess would it go down? Because there ain't much up, so they had to have gone down. That's pretty cool. So apparently the workers in there, they live there. That's awesome. They got it made. So yeah, I do have a Red River Gorge sticker. And I just got that. Bam.
There's the river again. A little iced over. Oh my God. I don't think it looked worse back there than what it was. So here is not a tunnel. This used to be the only way to get into the gorge.
Your destination will be on the left.
Sorry. It's in front of me, actually. Thank you. Ooh, spooky. Can't see nothing up there.
They just blasted through this mountain. Make an entrance.
Whoa.
Whoa, don't do that. Don't fucking do that.
That was wild.
Oh, okay.
Slow down there, Hoss.
Right.
They come in here ready for it.
Yeah, I did. All right.
That was
And
it.
we're out the other side. We just parked our vehicle. We are gonna eat at the only restaurant open. Hungry Hiker Bar and Grill, Red River Gorge. All right, let's go check. So I got the Hungry Hiker, and Justin got the bourbon. Looks good.
Looks tasty.
Yeah, looks really good. So we finished. How long were we in there? 30 minutes.
If that.
So they did have their close sign up when we walked in, but we asked if they were still seating people because we called earlier, and they said they were going to stay open till 4.
And we got there, I think like at 2:45.
Yeah, 2:45. So they did go ahead and let us eat. They sat us. We ordered real quick. We just got burgers and fries because we wanted to order something that was quick. Some people tried to come in after us. They turned them away. So
my burger was good. I got the bourbon.
So when I showed the food and I said I got the Hungry Hiker, that's not what I got. So they gave me the cliffhanger. They gave me the wrong burger, and it was kind of funny because when she brought it out to the table, she said, you know, she gave him his bourbon, and she was like, and the cliffhanger, and I said, I ordered Hungry Hiker. She said, oh, I just called it the wrong thing, and she sat it down in front of me. It was definitely a cliffhanger. So I went back and looked at the menu. The Hungry Hiker was supposed to have onion rings, a barbecue sauce, and bacon. The burger I got didn't have any of those, and it was on a pretzel bun, and I would have never ordered a burger on a pretzel bun. I do not like pretzel buns, but they were trying to get out of there because of the weather, so I just ate it anyway. So, I mean, it was a good burger, I guess. I don't like pretzel buns.
So you didn't enjoy it.
I don't think I enjoyed it as much as if I would have got the correct burger. No, because I already had in my head that it was going to have those things I just mentioned, the bacon, the onion rings, and the barbecue sauce. So I already had that in my head. That's what I was going to eat. So it's kind of disappointing. But, I mean, the snow is coming down, and they're trying to get home, so I probably wouldn't have, even if she would have been like, oh, this is the wrong burger, I probably wouldn't have made them remake it anyway.
No, it's gonna get bad out here real quick.
Yeah.
I mean, the road's already getting covered.
Oh yeah, so we better go.
Yep.